This simple guide will show you how to create an email series in Brevo. Whether you're enhancing your marketing strategy or simply want to automate your email communications, setting up an email series can be a game changer. So let's dive into the process and get your email series up and running. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to brevo.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already a member, you might want to sign up to get started. After logging in, navigate to the Automations section of Brevo. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to automate your email communications effectively. Next, you'll see a button that says Create an Automation. Go ahead and click that. This is where you begin crafting your personalized email series. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with a few options. Choose Create from Scratch. This option gives you complete control over how you want to set up your series, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your needs. Now, it's time to set up the trigger for your automation. Triggers are the events that start your automation process. In this case, you'll want to select the trigger option, a contact is added to a list. This means that whenever a new contact is added to a specific list, your email series will kick off, making it a seamless process. Once you've selected your trigger, the next step is to choose the list that will initiate the series. After selecting the appropriate list, don't forget to click Save to ensure your settings are locked in. This step is crucial because it determines which contacts will receive your email series. Moving forward, you'll want to add a time delay. This feature allows you to space out your emails, ensuring that your contacts are not overwhelmed with too much information at once. After you've decided on the delay period, click Save again to confirm your settings. Remember, the timing of your emails can significantly impact engagement and open rates. Now, it's time to add a step and select an action. In this case, you'll choose the action, Send an Email. This is where you craft the content of your emails, making sure they are engaging and relevant to your audience. You can add as many emails as needed in your series, tailoring each one to guide your contact through your desired journey. Repeat this process, adding additional emails and time delays until your entire series is built out. This iterative process allows you to create a comprehensive email journey that keeps your contacts engaged and informed at every step. Finally, once you've crafted your entire series and you're satisfied with how it looks, it's time for the grand finale, activating your automation. Simply click Activate Automation to set your series in motion. Once activated, your email series will automatically run whenever the set trigger is activated, freeing up your time and ensuring consistent communication with your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully created an email series in Brevo. By following these steps, you can effectively engage with your audience, nurture leads, and drive results without having to manually send each email. Thanks for following along, and happy automating.